Over, but scammers, they're just not giving up. They're trying to use the IRS to scare you out of even more money.
Yeah, a lot of you let Joe know you've gotten the call, and investigator Joe Ducey shows us just how much this scam looks like the real thing.
These scammers are just nasty, and some might say, I guess, smart, by using one of our biggest fears against us, the IRS looking at your taxes. Earlier this year, scammers were trying to convince you there was a problem with your refund. Now it's the fake audit department hunting you down. Diane from Mesa got the call and says the person made insinuations that I was guilty of tax evasion and that I needed to contact them immediately to prevent being arrested. And if they can't get you on the phone, don't worry, they'll leave a message. Yolanda Brown emails that she called them back, and they're claiming that I owe them back taxes. I told the man that answered I knew that was a scam, and he hung up on me. Good for you, Yolanda. Way to call him out. But here's the scary part. While the IRS does not send emails, they really do use phone calls to notify you about an audit. Their website also says if they call, they will send a letter as confirmation. I don't know about you, but not very reassuring. My advice, regardless of whether you think the call is legit or not, do not give any personal information over the phone. Hang up and go straight to irs.gov so you can find a number to talk to the right people. Go to abc15.com, sections, and let Joe know to protect yourself against the latest scams. Here's how to get hold of me, and we need your help. If you want to volunteer and help people calling the Let Joe Know helpline, just call this 855 number and let us know. I'm investigator Joe Ducey. If you've got a problem, let me know.